Haier 5-star inverter direct cool refrigerator. 10 reasons why you must buy. A refrigerator keeps your food fresh and safe, keeps you healthy, so you have a smile on your face. Haier's new 5-star inverter direct cool refrigerator will make you sway, looks or performance, either way. We'll tell you 10 reasons today why at your place this Haier's 5-star inverter DC must always stay. First, inverter compressor. This allows the compressor to run as per specific cooling need, giving precise cooling, significant energy saving and less noise. No wonder it takes the lead. Second, 1-hour icing technology. Enjoy freezing with extra power. Get your ice formation in just 1 hour. Third, stabilizer-free operation. Yes, thanks to Haier's stabilizer-free operation, the refrigerator stays protected even when there's fluctuation. Fourth, energy efficient. With the highest possible energy efficiency star rating of 5, this consumes less than 0.3 units a day. Now that calls for a high 5. Fifth, separate fruit box. Well, separation is not always painful, especially when it keeps your fruits and vegetables fresh and tasteful. Sixth, thick puff insulation. Yes, the job of a fridge is to insulate the cold from the heat. 6.5 cm of industry-leading insulation walls. Now that's tough to beat. Seventh, connect home inverter. During a power cut, it connects to the home inverter automatically, maintains continuous cooling, let's call it performing fantastically. Eighth, base drawer. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Shall we say that extra base drawer for your dry rations makes it rather extraordinary. Ninth, toughened glass shells. Large curry pot or a heavy curry pot. Try your wife. It takes a lot. 10th, 10-year warranty. On the inverter compressor, it's a short warranty for 10 years. Enjoy trouble-free services, and that should bring a lot of cheers. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are 10 reasons why a Haier 5-star inverter direct cool refrigerator you must buy. To happiness, say hi. All the troubles, goodbye. Haier, inspired living.